Toyota had to shut down all its factories in Japan for 2 full days for the stupidest reason. It ran out of disk space. So what happened? Toyota is world known for working with lean manufacturing. That means they hold as little stock as possible. On one hand, it's wonderful because it significantly reduces the amount of working capital that the factory needs. That is the amount of money that it has sitting around in unused parts. You only hold the parts that you're going to be using in the next few days. The only issue is that it requires your supply chain to be a very well-oiled machine. And exactly that is what Toyota found out the hard way a few weeks ago. On August the 27th, they run some scheduled maintenance on the software that allows all the factories in Japan to order parts from their centralized dispatcher. And apparently the files, the maintenance logs, were much bigger than they expected, which means they quickly filled this local hard drive's space. Now, for reasons that are unclear, they couldn't just delete these files, so no new orders could be placed. This is exactly what workers found out when they arrived to the factory on August the 28th. Because they couldn't order parts, cars couldn't be made, so the factory had to shut down on August the 28th and August the 29th, when the problem was finally fixed. Now, this already comes at a time when Toyota couldn't make cars fast enough, and halting all production in Japan for 2 full days must have cost them a fortune. I really wouldn't want to be in that IT guy's shoes. This is just one of the many times in history where a small mistake ends up snowballing into a massive problem. Do you know any other examples of this? Let me know in the comments. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more content on this channel.